Customer captivity. The second primary competitive advantage is called customer captivity. Customer captivity is somewhat like customer loyalty. But it's not just that customers stay with you because they love your product or your brand. It's that there are structural reasons why they stay with you. There are structural reasons that make it difficult or expensive to leave you for competing products. There are three sources of customer captivity. The first is search costs. These are the time, effort, and resources required to go and find a replacement for your product. A good example of a product with high search costs is one that has been customized. It is difficult to find a replacement for a customized product. Therefore, customers tend to be more captive when solutions are customized to them. You can enhance search costs by adding customized features to your product or by making the buying process feel as though the solution is customized. The second source of competitive advantage is switching costs. These are the costs incurred by customers in transitioning from one company to a competing company. A good example of this is a product that requires a lot of training to use. If you have to learn a whole new system in order to use a competing product, then you're going to be resistant to switching to a competitor. The third source of customer captivity is habit formation. Products that are used daily and purchases that happen virtually automatically build habit or inertia. For example, people tend to be more loyal to Coca-Cola than to car brands because soda is bought more frequently than automobiles are. The role of a product marketing manager will vary from company to company, but there is almost always going to be ways that can enhance customer captivity. If you have a lot of influence over the product, you can push for features that have daily use or for customized or personalized dashboards. These will make customers resistant to switching and will enhance the long-term profitability of the company. If you don't have a lot of control over the product itself, there are still ways to enhance customer captivity. For example, you can push for long-term contracts or for landing pages that make the customer feel as though she or he is getting a customized offering. Also, as a strategic marketer, you can choose to focus on those customers that are the most captive and then focus your acquisition efforts on them specifically.